Hey y'all, it's me. I'm in the bathroom. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my nightly skincare. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I use on my skin. First thing I'm going to do is cleanse my face with a cleansing balm. My two favorite makeup removers are the Rodial Venom cleansing balm and Sunday Riley's CEO micro dissolving cleansing oil. This one's been discontinued. I usually like to use this with a muslin cloth, but you can use this straight on the face, no cloth. But I like the cloth because I feel like it just helps get my skin extra clean. Oftentimes I interchange between the two, depends on how I'm feeling. So, yeah. And I go on with dry skin, and I just massage this into my skin, and I break up all the makeup, even the makeup around my eyes. And I massage for like a hot minute so I feel it's really done its job. I'm really feeling this whole mixing thing today, so I'm just gonna take a little, well, that was like 3 pumps. And I'm just gonna add that to what's already on my face. This one has more slip than the other, so I just like to use this too. This also has salicylic acid in it, so I feel like it really gets down the pores. So now that the oil is all in my face, I'm gonna rinse my face off. So now you can see, most of my makeup is removed, but I left a little bit around the edges. So I'm gonna wet my cloth, and I'm just gonna take the excess off. And I'm also gonna get around my eyes real good too. One more good time. Next step is exfoliation. I usually go in with my Lancer Blemish polish, but I am out right now. So, took a little sample from work. This is a refining face polish from Omorovicza. This one's nice because it has volcanic sand. It's going to exfoliate my face before I cleanse. This one also has that, I feel like this has that mud that they use that smells like it. So this is going to be detoxifying too. This is on dry skin because I really want to get the most out of the exfoliation. I want my skin cells to feel like they haven't been working hard enough. My Lancer polish is way more intense than this. So I wouldn't like go over dry skin with it, but this one's a little bit more gentle than that. Oh, and by the way, I use my Lancer polish every single day, except for days when I'm doing like a chemical peel. I love Lancer's Caviar Lime Acid Peel, and when I use that, I wait 24 hours, no exfoliation, and then I use the chemical peel. And I'm just putting a light amount of water. And I'm just getting that last bit of exfoliation out of this before I rinse it off completely. Now I'm gonna go in with Define Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser from Ole Henriksen. This is my favorite cleanser at the moment. It helps keep my blemishes under control. This is hormonal, ignore that. But for the most part, my skin's pretty clear because of this. I had my Lancer polish, we would be talking about none of this. I like to get this in a good lather. Really massage it into my skin. Until it's super foamy. I'm cleansing my face. As I'm washing it off, I'm still like trying to get them like a lather out of it so it can really just get into my pores and clear everything out. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water, keep going in circular motion, then I'm gonna completely rinse it off. Now I'm gonna go in with an essence. I like to put essence on my face because I feel like it just draws everything deeper and it makes everything work better. And I noticed the difference in like how things sit on my skin when I use the essence versus when I don't. So this is the Radiance. This is the Radiance essence from Venom. This one has encapsulated retinol in it. Retinol is great for treating fine lines, wrinkles, but you can also use it to treat acne. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Holy Grail serum. If I don't use any other serum, I'm definitely using this because I get hyperpigmentation. So, Vitamin C from Sunday Riley, CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. This is great because it has 15% vitamin C. It has glycolic acid, so you get a light exfoliation. And vitamin C is hydrating, and I love hydration. I look like I don't need moisturizer, but I'm gonna use moisturizer because I don't play games with hydration. I'll go in with the Derm Institute Anti-Oxidant and Hydration Blemish Rescue. This is great because it has sulfur in it, but it's not going to dry you out, and it actually goes really nicely under makeup. But it takes care of any type of breakout that I might have going on. So now we're down to the last two things I'm going to put on my face. So I'm going to go in with my Gold Fatten Bright Eyes Eye Cream. So this claims to work on darkness, puffiness, and fine lines. And then the last thing I'm going to go in with is my Lancer Omega Hydrating Oil. I don't know why, but my skin feels weirdly dry. So I'm just going to go in with this because I know it's going to give me hydration. But it's going to absorb into my skin. It's not going to sit on top of my skin, and I'm not going to wake up like with an oil spot on my pillow. So yeah, if it's a night where I'm doing a mask, I will usually stop after doing my cleanser and do that mask, wash that off, or what I'll do is take off my makeup, do the mask, then do my cleanser. But usually before I go in with essences or serums or moisturizer, I'll do my mask if I'm doing a treatment that particular night. So basically that's my normal skincare routine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe, and if you really liked the video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.